right, first grade, we are going to be working on Unit 4, Week 2, Day 1. Day 1. So we're working on the EE, right? So let's put an EE on our paper so it reminds us when you hear the E sound in these words, we're going to be using EE. Okay, get your tapping hand going, stretch it out, get it a little warmed up. Mine's a little cold from being outside. All right, our first word is, tap it, deep, deep, D-E, deep. Start with the first sound you hear, D. Don't look at my paper until you've tried it yourself. E, and then, I got it right. Then rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. If you're at home and you don't have this dictation paper, you can do it on a piece of paper. Just mark 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and so on. Make sure you keep it and you can turn it into your teacher. All right, number 2. Pound it out. Feet. Feet. E-t. Feet. 3 sounds. 3 lines. Feet. Try it yourself first. Don't look until you're ready. If you got it right, give yourself a firework. And then rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. If you're not sure you got the word right, don't rewrite it yet until you check it with mine. And then go ahead and rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. If you're pretty confident, then go ahead and rewrite it. You can still change it if you make a mistake. And if I'm going too fast, you can always pause this video and get caught up that way. Okay, pencils up if you're ready for number 3. Good. Number 3. Ooh, I see a blend. Ready? Green. Gr-E-N. Green. So what's that blend you hear in the very beginning? Remember we have the E sound. Check it when you're done. If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face, and then rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. All right, pencils up if you're ready for number 4. Okay, let's give it a couple more seconds. I have a couple friends finishing up. Number 4. Peep. Peep. E. Kind of like those Easter treats, but no S. So peep. E. Do not look until you've written yours. That's the only way you're going to be able to check your own work. If you just copy down what I do, you're not going to learn anything. Rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. Make sure your P's are in the basement. I spy number 5. Jovi, what do you notice about number 5?
There's a heart around this.
What's the heart mean? Which 2 letters are married?
Q-U.
Q-U, good job. So I know right now, you know what? I'm just going to put it on there. Q-U. Let's think. Think in your thought bubble. Qua. We know we're doing an E. Qua. E. I wonder what word it's going to be. What do you think, Hudson? Queen. friend's tapping me to stop. Okay. Queen. Do not copy it, remember. Try it on your own first, even if you get it wrong. Mistakes are proof you're trying. Rewrite it in your nicest handwriting. Again, we're only going to do one sentence at the bottom. Change your cups to cups. Remember, we check for capitals, organizing, punctuation, and spelling. Lucy, remind me what the mountain's for. Capital. Good. It reminds us to make sure we have a capital at the beginning of each of our sentences. So our sentence is, I can feel the bite of the bee. Okay, a lot of words. Let's break it down to little chunks. I can. Start with that. I can. 2 words, so 2 lines. I and can. Go ahead and tap can out if you don't know it. Okay. No, because we're only doing one. I can. There's your first 2 letters. Now remember, 1 word per line. If you just write like straight across, your sentence is not going to be in the right spot. So I can feel the. Feel. Well, there's our double E sound. E-O. Then you have the red word, the. Everyone write the. You should know how to do that by now. Bite of the bee. Now, bite is a magic E word. So how would you do that? B-I-T. You're right. Without the magic E, it'd be bit. Very good. So bite. The bite of the bee. Now, what some friends I've noticed when you guys turn your dictation into me, you're skipping down your line. You're forgetting there's lines right underneath here. You see you have 2 red words right in a row. So I can feel the bite of the. Of is a red word. Of, and then the we know is a red word. And then bee is your long E sound. Okay, when you're done with your sentence, go ahead and rewrite it on your sentence down here. Nice handwriting. Rewrite it. I can feel the bite of the bee. Look how small I wrote. I fit it all on one line. If you write too big, it's going to be all cray-cray. Okay? So make sure you do this. Now, like I said, pause it to finish this. All right. All right, good job, first grade. That is your Unit 4, Week 2, Day 1 dictation.